Welcome guys, today I am with the Motorola Moto G62 5G and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks. Okay, so first of all, when you are in photo mode, we can use the volume buttons that are located right here. You can press volume up or volume down to take photos. When you click and hold them, you are going to take series of the photo. It works the same for the volume up and the volume down button. Next, when you click and hold the shutter, we can also take this series of the photos. When you want to change the brightness level of the screen, you can also make it by tapping on the screen once, or make it automatically 2 times. When you are on the zoom feature, you can use these presets. You can also click and hold on already selected preset, and then you can zoom in to the 8 times and zoom out. As you can see, it works very smooth. When you click in this place, you can enable camera delay between 3 or 10 seconds. Next, when we move on, we can go for the settings. We can find the AI settings. You can take photos by using palm of your hand. Okay, it looks like the phone cannot recognize this gesture right now. Okay, it's not working for me, but you can tell me in the comment if this feature is working for you. In the photos, we can change the resolution of the front selfie camera to the high resolution. In the videos, we can enable or disable the stabilization. When you go for the capture settings, we can find 2 useful options. As you can see, there's the option to twist our wrist 2 times quickly to enable the camera when the application is not activated. So I'm going to show you how it works, and also I'm going to show you how this option works. So take a look. That's the gesture, and the tap photo option. As you can see, when I tap on the screen, the photo will be taken, and it works very smooth. Here we can also enable the camera grid lines and camera leveler. As you can see, it appears right here. And next we can simply move for the more modes, where we can find the ultra resolution mode. So let's make comparison. Let's take a photo of this QR code with the normal mode and the high resolution mode. I just take 2 photos. Let's get rid of this one. Okay, so this one was taken with the normal mode. It looks like that. We can find some details. We can zoom in very close. And this one was taken with the 50 megapixel mode. And as you can see right here, we can spot a little bit more details, and we can also zoom in a little bit closer. We are also able to use the dual capture mode for the videos and for the photos. So right now you can see 2 cameras preview. You can change the theme of it. And that's all for the tips and tricks for this device, for Motorola Moto G62 5G. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.